There has been an incredible rise of YouTube Shorts over the past year. Practically every other YouTuber is posting them and bringing in millions of views, blowing up channels and making them go viral, like this channel right here, growing from a couple hundred subscribers in 2021 to now over 20 million, gaining over 1 billion views a month as well. What's crazier is that this insane growth happened in just 2 years alone. Or take a look at this channel. He started making videos in 2021 as a rookie YouTuber with very few subscribers, but now he has over 20 million subscribers, with his videos bringing in over 100 million views a month. And even if you don't want to show your face on camera, it's still possible to grow on YouTube, even for faceless YouTubers. Data, a Minecraft YouTuber that began his journey in 2021, now has over 5 million subscribers. So the question is, how are all these channels blowing up so fast? And what is the big secret? Well, they're all doing one thing in common, but they're also making a big mistake that can destroy their long-term career on YouTube. And that is YouTube Shorts. So it's easy, right? If you want to be a big YouTuber, just make YouTube Shorts. But not so fast. YouTube Shorts might be the biggest thing on YouTube right now, but today I'm going to show you why you actually shouldn't post YouTube Shorts and how it can negatively affect your YouTube career. Because Shorts do come with some terrible consequences. Let's take a look at one of the channels that I personally run. I started posting YouTube Shorts back in January 2021, and I was on the grind, posting 2 and even 3 shorts a day. And at the time, I thought it was a great strategy. I was gaining the millions of views and gaining the subscribers that I wanted to get. The instant gratification was amazing, or so I thought. You see, the main problem with YouTube Shorts is the pay. For 20 million views, I was only paid $400. Now, I just want to say that I'm really grateful for even getting paid $1 to make YouTube videos, because I enjoy making them and I would even do this for free. However, YouTube is a business, and with college coming up for me, I really wanted to make YouTube a full-time career. Now, although $400 is a ton of money, it's nowhere near enough to make a sustainable career on YouTube. But still, I knew YouTube Shorts was eventually going to change their monetization system, which they did earlier this year, and so I kept posting shorts. In fact, I even hit my highest 30-day monthly views, and gained the most subscribers in that month as well. With that in mind, I thought for sure that with these views, these subscribers, I'll be able to earn more money and make this into a business and a career for myself. But sadly, nope. In fact, the pay remained the same. But with the millions of views that I gained that month, it kind of felt weird that I wasn't getting paid more, despite getting more views. Even in other niches on YouTube, like the gaming niche, finance niche, or even a tech niche, people can be getting paid 1,000 and even 100,000 views for the amount of views that I got. And once again, I'm not being greedy here, but YouTube is a business. And just like any other business, it evolves around money. Whether you use the money to outsource videos to editors or to reinvest into bigger ideas. Every YouTuber knows they need money to run a successful YouTube channel. And for me, well, I was in a sticky situation, so I had to analyze, adjust, and brainstorm an idea that would solve this problem. I only had one goal, and that was to make YouTube a full-time career. And Shorts was not helping me achieve that. And then it hit me. Why not just post some long-form content? My first video actually performed pretty well. Even the second video and even the 10th video that week. They all had pretty decent retention, around 40%, and a good click-through rate. Now I love making videos, so I just kept posting long-form content with the goal of improving every video that I post, improving the title, thumbnail, and every aspect of my channel. But after a full month of posting long-form content alongside YouTube Shorts, I realized that the long-form videos were tanking, and tanking hard. While other channels making similar videos on a similar topic to mine seemed to blow up overnight, mine wasn't doing so well. And I did what any other YouTuber would do: improve the content, invest money from my savings account into improving the video, brainstorming new ideas, trying to be more unique, trying to be more fresh. But no, the long-form videos were not taking off, no matter what I did. They were just stuck, stagnant, and it was looking like my channel would fall off. I was at a turning point and realized that this was not going to work out, and so I took a break. But let's learn one thing here. YouTube Shorts can either make or break your channel. I've spoken with many other YouTubers on this, and we all agree on the same thing. YouTube Shorts can be a hit or miss for your channel, especially if you're building your channel from YouTube Shorts. From my experience, I know for a fact that just because YouTube Shorts are blowing up doesn't mean that you can make a career out of YouTube. The difference between long-form content and short-form content is huge. It's emphatic when talking about viewer experience. Now, if you try to post YouTube Shorts and long-form videos at the same time, it means one thing. You probably won't be earning a lot of money, and number 2, your long-form videos can suffer and not get the amount of views that you're aiming for. I know you might be saying that I'm being biased because I'm only talking about my own channel, and that I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, no, I've studied YouTube for a while now, and I've actually gathered a couple of case studies on why you can't build a channel solely off of posting shorts, plus why it can actually destroy your channel. Mr. Beast. He's obviously the biggest creator in the world, but if we take a look at his channel, his main focus is on making long-form videos, not YouTube Shorts. He's known for spectacles, big events, huge ideas, and of course, giving away money. Now, nobody else can compete with Mr. Beast, but he became the biggest YouTuber in the world not by posting YouTube shorts, because there was really no short shelf when he began his YouTube journey. His focus is on making the best videos possible, and that's long form videos. And if we take a look at Jimmy's other YouTube channels like Mr. Beast Gaming, Beast Philanthropy, and even Beast Reacts, there is only a small number of shorts being posted. And why? Well, it's because you can't mix the audience together. People watch shorts for their short form content and long form content for a total different reason. Just think about it. If you're on the short shelf or TikTok or even Instagram Reels, you're swiping through the app just to be entertained for a couple seconds. Your goal is not to sit down and watch a 10-minute video about van life or building businesses. Now, in my opinion, I believe it all comes down to what the viewers value in your content, and of course your value prop. Another important thing to remember is that Jimmy grew his channel without the use of any short form content. He gained 100 million subscribers on his own without any shorts being posted. Well, that's Mr. Beast, you say. What about the other channels that won't be spending money like him or giving away money like him? And that's why we're talking about Guava Juice. SunnyV2 made an important note in his video that when Guava Juice started posting shorts and long form content at the same time, his channel came to a halt. From averaging well over 1 million views to going to now under 200,000 views and even less. Guava Juice mixed his audience, he gained the subs and views from shorts, but made the terrible mistake of combining audiences with two different interests. A shorts viewer might enjoy shorts, but not as long form content. It's the case when you look at his most viewed video, is a short with 150 million views. Now there are some cases where shorts can actually benefit a channel, but I guarantee that 100% of the time, these YouTubers already had a long form video audience established before they even start posting shorts. Like in the case with Eric and Ryan Trahan. So these are massively successful YouTubers with totally different types of content, but a study shows that shorts will work for some channels and not for others. And with more channels posting shorts, it seems like the YouTube landscape will be either headed into a short form content style with fast pace and edits, or something completely different with long form videos. Now don't get me wrong, there are many channels that post videos that are short form but not shorts, like Beluga, Daily Dose of Internet, or even David Dobrik back in the day. So maybe posting long form videos that can go along with your shorts will make a positive impact on your channel. But the most important thing to remember is that for most creators, their main source of income from YouTube is ad revenue. With YouTube Shorts, the RPM is low, and I mean really low. It's 5 cents on average for most channels, and that's just by looking at a graph from Patty Galloway, one of the biggest analytical thinkers on YouTube. Even take a look at my Shorts RPM. It's been stuck at that rate for quite some time, and I don't think it's going to increase anytime soon. Or how about this one from my friend's channel, and where their RPM is very low as well, just by posting YouTube Shorts. So the big question is, what do you do if you're a rookie YouTuber trying to grow on YouTube? Well, there's two options. Number one, you can take the shorts route. Focus on making shorts and only shorts. And maybe one day in the future, your long form audience will come together. But you're also taking the risk of building a channel with a terrible RPM, and of course, combining an audience that might not even want to watch long form content. Or option number two, make long form content and focus on prioritizing quality content. Success on YouTube comes in many different ways, whether posting shorts, long videos, or streams, and even community posts. But if your goal is to make YouTube a career, it's much wiser to focus on making really good quality long form content, not shorts. Shorts bring you instant gratification, but at what cost? You won't be making enough money to run your business. The brand deals are limited, and you're getting an audience that prefers to watch shorts. I know for a fact that long form videos will always be the #1 thing on YouTube, but it still makes me wonder, what if YouTube Shorts never existed?